Morning, children. Coming back to your literature class. Before today I start the class, I need to let you all a bit more conscious regarding your health because it's tremendous heat outside. Don't go out until you are in a very essential situation. You need to drink plenty of water. You need to have yourself very much fit, and for doing good result, for understanding the lesson nicely, for doing the studies properly, you need to stay fit, and for that you need to be careful towards your health, right? So it's better not to stay outside unless you have emergency, and I all believe that you all have all the essential communities getting arranged by your parents itself. That's very obvious. So please stay inside the house, follow the instructions of your parents, don't argue with them, and drink plenty and plenty of water, which is highly required. Okay, so without wasting a single minute more, let's shift to our class. We were continuing lesson 3 of literature. The lesson was about whitewashing the fence, and more or less maximum part of the lesson we have already covered up. Today I'll start from Tom tried to convince Jim, who had approached to him, and Tom tried to convince him so that he will do the whitewashing in place of Tom, but everything was in vain. Jim did not get convinced. Suddenly something tricked Tom's mind, and he found that his playmates who used to stand over there to get water or bring water, they are coming, and so he started doing something very astonishing. What? He was trying to make peculiar sounds from his mouth as if he was running out a ship and he is a captain. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, shaw, then shaw, wow, wow, wow. In my last class I have already shown the sounds. So let's continue. Stop the starboard, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Stop the larboard, come ahead on the starboard. Stop her. Let your outside turn over slow. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Chow wow wow. Get out the headline. Lively now. Come out with your spring line. What are you about there? Take a turn. Round that stump with a bit of it. Stamp at that stage. Now let her go. Down with the engine, sir. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. So he was counting himself to be the captain of the boat, and as the captain gives instruction to all his subordinates, so he was behaving to be giving the instruction to his subordinates, and in hand he was whitewashing the fence. Tom went on whitewashing, paid no attention to the steamboat. Who was steamboat? Ben stared at moment and then said, Ben was the steamboat. Can you remember that he has given some names to those boys who used to tease him? So Ben was the steamboat. So Ben was passing from there. He just stared at him. What is doing? Hi, you are up a stump, aren't you? So he was just trying to mock him. Ho. What are you doing there? It's a very tough job for you, right? No answer. Tom did not give any response. Tom surveyed his last touch with an eye of an artist. And the thing was like that. He's doing his own job. This look proves what? What the hell are you telling about? I just don't care, okay? So don't disturb me. Let me do my job. He was telling all these lines, but through his look, not through his mouth. নজর দিয়ে তাকিয়ে কোনো কথা বলার চেষ্টা করো, to make you understand through my expressions that I am not interested in either of your lights. So please stay out of it. Tom did the same thing with Ben. Ben ranged up alongside of him. Tom's mouth watered for the apple, but he stuck to his work. So there was an apple in Ben's hand. So Tom was feeling very, oh God, if I could get the apple, ahaha. But he did not express it. He showed as if he cares nothing and he was busy in his own work. Ben said, "Hello, old chap. You got to work. Hey." He kept on calling. "Hi. What the hell are you doing? You are so busy with your work." Tom willed suddenly and said, willed means, for suppose I am doing like this and suddenly I turn that side by revolving. That is called wheeled. Okay. Why? It's you, Ben. I wasn't noticing. He just pretend to be, he was very busy with his work and he did not notice Ben. So he said that, "Oh, it's you. Hi. I have not given any attention to, I have not noticed you. I was so busy with my job, you know." Say, hey. In place of hey, it's written say. Say. They speak like hey. Hey that comes like say. "I'm going in a swimming." "I am." "Don't you wish you could?" "But of course you would rather work." "Would not you?" "Of course you would." Again he was mocking. मजाक कर रहा था वो, मजाक उड़ा रहा था राधा टॉम का कि "आई एम गोइंग फॉर द स्विमिंग." Probably you also want to go. But what to do, my dear? You need to do the work, right? What do you call work? Why? Aren't this a work? Tom said that work? काम? किसे काम कह रहे हो? क्यों? ये काम नहीं है? Tom resumed his whitewashing and answered, "Well, maybe it is and maybe it is not. All I know is it suits Tom Sawyer." So he said that, "Okay, probably it's a work for you or some other people it is not, but it suits me. It goes only with me." "Oh, come now, you don't mean to let on that you like it." So Ben said that, "Oh, don't try to pretend that you like the work. It's not that." The brush continued to move. He kept on doing. Tom, no impressions, no expressions. "Like it? Well, I don't see why I would not to like it. Does a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence every day? Oh, what is there to not like? Do you think every day a boy gets a chance to whitewash a fence? No? So I've got a chance, a golden opportunity. So why shall I not like it? Of course I like it. Something to be really liked of." अच्छे लगने की तो बात है. क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगेगा भाई? है? हर दिन किसी लड़के को चांस मिलता है वाइट वॉश करने का, तो मुझे आज चांस मिला है तो आई लाइक इट. दैट पुट द थिंग इन अ न्यू लाइट. तो सडनली बेन लगा, है ये क्या बोल रहा है? वाइट वॉश करना भी न्यू बात है. स्ट्रेंज. ओके, सो Ben stopped nibbling his apple. He was eating. He stopped. Huh? What is telling? Tom swept his brush continuously back and forth, stepped back to note the effect, added a touch here and there, criticized the effect again. Ben watching every move and getting more and more interested, more and more absorbed. Presently he said, "So actually, Tom was playing a trick to Ben." एक चालाकी की थी टॉम. जानबूझकर टॉम ने एक एक्सप्रेशन दिखाया कि ये बहुत अच्छा काम है और ऐसा काम इंसान बहुत किस्मत वालों को मिलता है. तो मुझे ये अच्छा काम मिला है तो मैं तो करूँगा. तुम मत करो, तुम्हारी मर्ज़ी. तुम्हारे लिए काम होगा, मेरे लिए तो एंजॉयमेंट हो रहा है. Ben was noticing from very minutely. अरे बाप रे बाप, what Tom is doing? Wow, he's doing that. He's pulling like this. अरे वाह, I should also do this. He started getting interested. "Hey Tom, let me wash a little. Hey Tom, please, मुझे भी करने दो ना." Tom considered was about to consent, but he altered his mind. "No, No, I reckon it. It would not hardly do. Ben, you see, Aunt Polly is awful particular about this fence. Right here on the street, But if it was the back fence, I would have mind. She would not. But yes, she's awful particular about this fence. It has got to be done very carefully. I reckon there is not one boy in 1,000, maybe 2,000, that can do it the way it's got to be done. So टॉम ने दिखाया कि नहीं ये बहुत बड़ी बात है और ये मैं तुमको एटलीस्ट नहीं दे सकता. तो he said that, you see, Aunt Paul has given me the responsibility and it's a very important thing. If it had been the back side of the house, back fence, I would have given you the allowance to do that. But it's not so. Right? It's the front side. And Aunt Polly is very particular. 1 inch का भी इधर उधर हो गया ना तो she is going to give me a tight bidding. So 1,000 क्या 2,000 क्या 5-6 हज़ार लोगों में भी 1 या 2 इंसान होते हैं जिनसे ये काम बनता है. And I am among them. Aunt Polly ने मुझे consider किया है. How can I give this responsibility to you? No. I cannot ditch Aunt Polly. No, is that so? Oh, come now. Let me just try. Only just a little. I would let you if you was me, Tom. तो Ben का इंटरेस्ट और बढ़ गया. तो Ben ने कहा कि listen Tom, my dear friend, if it was me and you would have been wanting this, I would have definitely given it to you right now. Ben, I would like to, honest and just, but Aunt Polly, well, Jim wanted to do it, but she did not let him. Sid wanted to do it, and she would not let Sid. Now, don't you see how I am fixed? If you was a tackle this fence, then anything was happened to it, My dear Ben, please don't argue. You see, Jim wanted to do, she did not allow. Sid wanted to do, she did not allow. But she has given the responsibility to me. Because I'm quite responsible. If I'll give that to you and if something happens, it cannot be done, na? Oh, I'll just be careful. Now, please let me try. Say, I'll give you the core of this apple. No, Ben. Now don't. I'm feared. I'll give you all of it. First he told, I'll give you this sub part of the apple, okay? You just let me do the fence. Tom said, no, Ben, please don't argue. Then Ben said, okay, I'll give you the full apple to eat. Please let me do it. Then Tom thought that, okay, take it. Tom gave up the brush with reluctance in his face, but alacrity is hurt. कितना शैतान है देखो. He pretended to Ben, okay, poor fellow, you take it, no problem. But he was very happy from his hurt. अरे वाह, ये तो पट गया. इसको पटाया और ये पट गया. Okay. And while the late steamer Big Missouri worked and sweated in the sun, the retired artist sat on the barrel in the shade close by, dangled his leg, dangle मतलब हिलाना, munched his apple, and planned the slaughter of more innocents. ये बेचारा बुद्धू ये जब फेंस का वाइट वॉशिंग कर रहा था तब वो शैतानी बुद्धि वो बैठ कर पाँव हिला रहा था. And he was enjoying the apple. He was deliciously eating the apple and thinking, "Arey wow, you are such a fool. I have given you a story and you have grabbed it off." Acha. There was no lack of material. Boys happened along very little while they came to jeer, but remained to whitewash. By the time Ben was faked out, Tom had traded the next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite in good repair, and when he played out, Johnny Miller bought in for a dead rat and a string to swing it with, and so on, hour after hour. पहले Ben, फिर Benny, उसके बाद Billy, जिसको भी पकड़ता था उससे करवा लेता था. And they were getting interested because Ben said that, oh, it's very nice thing to do. Again they came. Again Billy said, oh, it's very nice. Again another came. And hour after hour, घंटे पर घंटे, people were coming and doing. And Tom was enjoying the time. Tom was literally rolling in wealth, मज़े में. He had, beside the things before mentioned, 12 marbles, part of a Jew's harp, a piece of blue bottle glass to look through, A spool cannon, स्पूल कैनन मतलब घर में बनाई हुई छोटी छोटी टॉयज़, ठीक है, खेल की चीज़ें. अ की दैट वुड नॉट अनलॉक एनीथिंग, अ फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ चॉक, अ ग्लास. उसे क्या क्या मिलने वाला था, मिल रहा था. मैंने पीपल वर कमिंग एंड दे वर गिविंग हिम, आई एम गिविंग यू दिस बेन टॉम, जस्ट लेट मी डू द फेंस. आई एम गिविंग यू दिस टॉम, let me do the fence. And Tom was taking all the things and allowing them to do the fence. He had had a nice, good, idle time all the while, plenty of company, and the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. If he had not run out of whitewash, he would have bankrupted every boy in the village. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो वाइट वॉश करता, तो द वे ही वॉज हैंडलिंग एवरी वन, ही वुड हैव बैंक्रप्टेड एवरी वन. चोरी कर ली होती, ऐसा लग रहा था देखने में, बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स ही वॉज हैविंग विद हिम. टॉम सेड टू हिमसेल्फ दैट इट वॉज नॉट सच अ हॉलो वर्ल्ड आफ्टर ऑल. ही हैड डिस्कवर्ड अ ग्रेट लॉ ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्शन. इतना बुरा भी नहीं है दुनिया. पीपल आर गुड विदाउट नोइंग इट, नेमली दैट इन ऑर्डर टू मेक अ मैन और अ बॉय कोवेट अ थिंग. कोवेट मतलब व्हेन आपको कुछ कोई चीज़ मिलने का बहुत इच्छा होता है, यू डिज़ायर टू गेट समथिंग बट सम हाउ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एंड सडनली यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट द थिंग बैक. दैट इज़ कोवेट. कोविड-19 वाला कोवेट नहीं, कोवेट, COVET. ओके. If he had been a great and wise philosopher like the writer of this book, he would now have comprehended. कितनी बुद्धि है उसको. He was appreciating himself. Such a clever person I am. You see, if I would have been a philosopher, I would have written plenty of books by that time. And this would help him to understand why constructing artificial flowers or performing on a treadmill is work, while rolling 10 pins or climbing Mont Blanc is only amusement. Now he can say that doing all other work was quite bitter than rolling up a fence, because I am sitting and enjoying, and all these fellows are doing my job with interest and love. There were wealthy gentlemen in England who drive 4 horses passenger coaches 20 or 30 miles on a daily line in the summer, because the privilege cost them considerable money. But if they were offered wages for the service, they would turn it into work and then they would resign. क्या बोल रहा है? ऐसे बहुत सारे अमीर लोग हैं who are driving horses for hours and hours and they are getting money. लेकिन if they were get offered wages मतलब salary for doing any work like this, they would definitely have resigned, because this is not a job at least. The boy thought a while over the substantial changes which had taken place in this worldly circumstances, and then wended toward headquarters to report. Finally, all his fence was over. All his friends have done his work in return of either of their gifts. You can have the book, so you can see the gifts are lying over here. All the gifts which he has taken in exchange of doing the fence, and finally the fence was all over without his effort. His effort was obviously there, but his effort was from here. He has given the effort from his brain, from his trick, and finally he was sorted out. So here ends your lesson. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Go through it. You all have definitely got the books till now. So go through the lesson. In the next class, I'll discuss the word meanings along with the question answers. Stay back in home. Don't go outside in the scorching heat of the sun, and drink plenty of water. Okay, my dear children? Be happy, be healthy.